Are you ready to enter his courts?
We are ready.
With thanksgiving.